Hey all you cute cats and kittens out there. It's Callum Barnes here with another video. Today I'm going to be showing you how to make a bear hang. So stick around. Alright, so you're going to need 3 items for this. So you're going to need your rope, your bag full of rocks, and your actual bear bag. I don't have any food to put in it right now, so there's a basketball inside. Ignore that. We're just gonna pretend that's where you put your food. Alright, so for your next part, you want to grab your rope and you want to grab your bag of rocks. So your bag of rocks is just going to be your weight for when you throw it over top of the branch, and then your rope is going to secure everything, and then you're going to be able to hold on to the one side while you throw it. So make sure you're able to figure out what kind of knot you want to use. I'm going to use a bowline. You can use whatever. You can check out my video about knots if you want to learn how to tie some knots. Okay, so now that we've tied our bag together, we want to make sure that we can find the right tree. So your right tree is going to have at least 10 feet off the ground. You want to make sure the bear can't reach it, as well as you want to have it at least extending past 4 feet, so then the bear is unable to climb up and grab it. So you don't want the bear to be able to reach it from any point of where you're standing, and so you want to choose the right tree. I'm choosing this tree right here. If you can't find a tree that is high enough with enough branch space, then you can choose 2 trees that are together and then tie up your bear hang that way. So you can choose 2 trees that are just several feet apart. You want it to be at least 4 feet away from the tree when you're doing this, so then you are able to not have the bear take your stuff. So I'm gonna throw my bag up, and once I do that, you'll be able to see. All right, attempt number 1 at throwing the bag up onto the branch. Attempt number 4 at throwing this bear bag up. Attempt number 5. Attempt number 6. Attempt number 7. Attempt number 8. Attempt number 10. All right, 11, let's go. Let's go, next attempt. We're stopped counting. Let's pretend that one didn't happen. All right, next attempt. Hopefully this one is the winner, okay? Okay, well, it's not really as far as I hoped it would be, but this is gonna have to do for now. So, this is where our bear hang is going to be. So, we want to grab our bag down, because that's where we're going to attach our actual bag. So, our bag is going to be where this is right now. Alright, so we're just going to untie our bag here. Undo our bowline that we've got going, and we're just gonna make sure we keep that somewhere safe, just in case you need to tie a bear bag your next location. So now you're going to redo your knot, tying up tying up your bag. Alright, so now that we've got that up, we're going to attach our rope to our tree here just to sturdy it and anchor it down, so then our bag can't be reached by those pesky bears. So, not talking about the football team, although could be, who knows. I don't know, maybe you don't want them to get your food either. Honestly. So we're just gonna go around this tree here a few times, keeping our bag in place using traction to do so. So I'm gonna go around. I've got enough rope to go around maybe one more time, and then I'm gonna stop here and tie it in. All right, as we see here, we've gone around our tree a couple times, and then we're just going to choose a way to keep it sturdy. You can do this by making a slip knot maybe, and then tightening it, and then you could do this in a variety of different ways just to like section it off, maybe tuck it in there. Who knows? You can really just kind of go ham to try to figure out what kind of knot to secure your bear bag. So now that we've done that, really there's not much more unless you want to go over the lowering of your bear bag. So you just would undo your knot here and then undo the rope, and then make sure you then lower your bag. Great. Thank you for joining me today on our mission to making a bear hang. If you want to learn more about knots or other camping type things, you can join me on my channel, The Quarantine Backpacker. So as always, like and subscribe, and have a great day. Stay safe.